3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Bob Dylan, Hurricane. Cool. Alright, I'm in standard tuning, I think. Yes, I am. Alright, so let's go over the chords. Let's go. A minor. Song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. To F major. 1, 2. Let's play F like this. 3, 3. Down, up, 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 down, up, 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 doing down up down up down up down up down up 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 down up 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 down. Can do down up down up down up down up. I'm doing down up 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 down up up up. So this is the verse. A minor to F. A minor to F. A minor to F. Break on C. That's C major. 1, 2, 3. Break on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. C, 2, F. That's 2 times. C, F. C, 2, F. And then we got D minor. 1, 2, 3. D minor. C, 2, 3, 4, D minor, to C, and then back to A minor, 2, 3, 4, C major, and G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, G major. That's all the chords. Okay, verse. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, C, F, 2, 3, 4, D minor, C major, D minor, C major, A minor, C, and G, 2, 3, 4. D minor. So that's the whole song. Let's review everything before we end the lesson. So up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or down, up, 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 down, up, up, up. Okay, A minor to F. That's the verses. And then break on C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And then the chorus keeps going on D minor, C, D minor, C, A minor, C, to G, 1, 2, 3. All right. Thanks, folks, for tuning in. Hurricane by Bob Dylan. Love it. See you tomorrow. Be safe and rock on.